Friends, today we will be visiting National Zoological Park. It is situated in New Delhi. So come and let's join my journey in watching National Zoological Park. So currently you are seeing rhinoceroses dipped in water. It is resting and it is very quiet, so it doesn't disturb anyone, and it's resting time for him, and he won't harm his other animals. Now this is a peacock. It likes to just walk around in its vicinity, and when it's rainy season it likes to dance, and chasing peacock is almost very difficult because they run so fast, and this animal is caged inside. Well, I was not able to capture properly, but he prefers to live in his bill, and this area is very green, and you will see most of the signboards in Hindi language only, so foreigners find difficult to read such types of signboards. Now this is a parrot which is kept inside a cage. It is very beautiful one, the blue colored body, and looks very attractive from outside. As you can see, it is military Macau. Facts about this military Macau. This one is green-winged macaw, sitting quietly in their branch. Electus parrot. This one is Electus parrot. This is a distance view of this parrot. Now you can see this from this angle. Electus parrot. This one is bare-eyed. That too. It looks like a Pokemon. One is African grey parrot. As you can read this African grey parrot facts. Khalish peasant facts, Khalish peasant. Check this one out. Khalish peasant. Khalish peasant live in pair of small groups in forest undergrowth. Their strength is eating seeds. Inspect this lizard on small ground while it roasts on trees at night. Most of the juvenile males stay with parents and help raise the next brood. This one is golden pheasant bird. Facts about golden pheasant bird. You can pause this video and see. One is silver pheasant. Brahminic kite. Facts about Brahminic kite. As you can see, this is a hippopotamus. Oh my god. Looks very dangerous. It has opened all its jaws. We can easily fit into these jaws. Oh, very dangerous. looks in a very rebellious mode. As the man, you can see he's near to death.
खाना लेकर आना है ना उन्हें पता है। Literally, I'm telling you guys, when I was in this zoological park, it was smelling very bad. The water was very stinky, and
हेलो,
don't know how
कैसे हो
do they
आप?
not maintain waters, because for outsiders like us, it is very bad experience. Imagine how suffering the animals would have gone through the stinky water. Now, as I get more closer, I see monkeys roaming around in this zoological park. It is quite prominent here. You will see many monkeys, not only now in this clip, but also in this future clips. You might see many monkeys roaming just freely in this park, and you can feed them bananas. Well, many of the viewers won't agree with my opinion, but many people say that some monkeys are troublemakers because they just create havoc near the offices, and they just ran away in buildings and sometimes disturb the employees of offices, and it is very difficult to manage and work in such environment where monkeys cause lot of trouble. Now in front of me is an African elephant which is rarely found in India. Although they are imported from Africa, they have huge wings, and they have enormous amount of body, and they eat a lot. They are generally bigger than Indian elephant. Their size is very enormous, a giant mammal in front of me. Well, they have a very huge diet. As you can see, the elephants urinate around 60 liters of urine from their body as they consume so much. In front of me are the wild boars. They stay in muddy areas, and crows generally like to sit on their back. This area is also very dirty. So these wild boars try to live in such dirty areas, and they are generally very aggressive kind of animals, and they generally stay in herds. They don't stay alone.
This is Indian elephant, very small as compared to the African one, but still very much agile and intelligent.
हाँ देखो वो
वो पता नहीं क्या तोड़ के खा रहे हैं यहाँ, ये घास खा रहे हैं। गन्ना को बहुत प्यारा लगता है। अगर आपके हाथ में, अगर किसी के हाथ में गन्ना हो तो खाने क्या देगा, उसकी पतंग में ले लो 20 रुपए में, ले लो 20 रुपए में, ले लो।
Guys, is this a sambar or a deer? I don't have any idea. Please comment below and let me know.